some explanation for that. We have none. Don't worry. Continue your program. Oh boy, it's really something super fantastic here. You couldn't ever imagine this. Roger, we know about that. Could you go the other way? Go back the other way. Well, that's kind of rigged. Pretty spectacular. God, what is that there? That's hollow. What the hell is that? Go tango. Tango. There's kind of light there now. Roger, we got it. We've marked it. Lose communication. Bravo Tango. Bravo Tango. Select Jezebel. Jezebel. Yeah. But this is unbelievable. We call her off. Bravo Tango. Bravo.